Hi, in this video, we are going to discuss about brief history on deep learning. We people know that the deep learning is a subset of machine learning, and machine learning is a subset of artificial intelligence. Actually, we create a intelligence artificial to the machine. Using that intelligence, a machine will give a solution to the particular problem. The next level of machine learning is called deep learning. We will see one by one how the deep learning grow nowadays. In 1950s, Turing's predict the computer will achieve a human level intelligence by the year 2000. Okay, then in 1965, Soviet mathematician Alexei Ivankov create a small but functional neural network. In 1982, a neuroscientist John Hoffield invent the recurrent neural network. In 1985, computational neuroscientist Terry that program that NetTalk pronounces English words correctly. Next, in 1986, Cornell Mellon professor and computer scientist Geo Ferri it's created a neural network among several researchers. It demonstrating that more than just a few of them can be trained using a new technique called back propagation for improved shape recognition and word prediction. In 1989, Jan LeCun invents machines that can read handwritten digits correctly. In 1992, IBM researcher Gernot Tesaro creates an artificial neural network that can play backgammon. And in 1997, world chess champ Garry Kasparov is beaten at his own game by a IBM's Deep Blue. In 2006, computer scientist Jeffrey Hinton coins the term deep learning. In 2011, IBM's Watson crosses its human opponents on the TV game show Jeopardy. In 2012, Google's developed a network of 16,000 internet-linked computers that learn to identify cats by browsing millions of random YouTube videos. In 2014, Google acquires London-based AI company DeepMind the worth of $500 million. In the same year, the Facebook develops DeepFace, which will identify the faces in photos with human-like accuracy. At the same 2014, the University of Montreal doctoral student Ian Goodflow invents a network GAN, that is a general adversarial network. In 2016, Google DeepMind's AlphaGo and AlphaGo Zero beat world champion in the ancient Chinese game Go. In 2018, that AutoML and NAS, that is neural architecture sets, are hailed as the next big thing in the deep learning related development. If you are give a summary about only about neural network in 1943, a person McLaw, who is the mathematician, and Bits is a scientist, together find the neural network. They modeled a simple neural network using simple electrical circuit to demonstrate a brain neuron. In 1947, the Donald Hebb book, the organization behavior, put forth the fact that repeated activation of one neuron by another increases its strength each time they are used. In 1956, the Taylor introduced a term called associative memory network. In 1958, McLaughlin's neuron model was invented by Rosenblatt. In 1960, the Bernard Vitro and Mercienkoff developed a model called Adeline and Medellin, that is adaptive linear network and multi-adaptive linear network. In 1961, Rosenblatt made an unsuccessful attempt but proposed the backpropagation scheme for a multi-layer network. In 1964, Taylor constructed a winner-take-all circuit with the incubation among output units. In 1969, multi-layer perceptron was invented by Minsky and Papert. In 1971, Hocknon developed associative memories, and 1976, Stephen Krosberg and Gail Carpenter developed adaptive resonance theory. In 1982, the half-field energy approaches were invented. In 1985, Boltzmann machine was developed by Ackley and Hinton and Sejnowski. In 1986, Rumelhart Hinton Williams introduced a generalized delta rule. In 1988, Costco developed a binary associative memory, and also they have the concept of fuzzy logic in artificial neural network. So the last few three slides about only about the neural network. The first slides all about the invention of AI, deep learning and ML.